Yeah.
I knew he nominated me, yes. But like, you know, that's when I said, like, I knew before he had my back. He's always coming to me. But all of a sudden, he just changed. Yeah, I did.
But was it also because of the nomination you didn't want Sama to get it?
No, like, I didn't want Sam, because people in the house, they're always saying that Sama is strong. But Sama didn't, I didn't know he wanted... No, I didn't even know Sama wanted to even get it. But no, I think it was when the money he wanted to buy it from me. I was like, Cross, this is it. But at the same time, I said it's better for everybody to be up for nomination than one person take it. Do you get? So when I wanted going inside, they were telling me, oh, don't give it to Cross. Like, okay, who is getting it? So if someone else is going to get it, I'm going to give Cross.
Okay, and then somebody else.
Nobody. Because Angel told me that Sama wasn't going to buy it. Because yes, so that's why I was asking who's going to get it. If anybody's going to get it, then I will give it to Cross. But if nobody's going to get it, then nobody will get it. So let's just play the game. Because I felt like I wasn't even playing, like I was just using my heart. Yes.
I think that was smart though. Everybody's saying at the end of the day. But like I said, he also was the one encouraging you for head of house. You know, to right? The last head of house. So
yeah, he motivated me.
Even though we knew that he wasn't more agent. Yeah, I think he was more of that. But he was also there for you.
I feel like some people just like to hurt people and say hot stuffs about people. And it's not like you're a saint, like you're no saint. And you purposely just want to hurt somebody or say harsh words to that person. And I'm not like that. So sometimes when I drink, it's just for me to can't lie down or just say the truth. Like I will talk to you, like you've done this thing, stop doing it. It's not good.
We were always praying that he was dead and stop drinking, to be honest. We didn't have strength. But that said, I'm excited for you.
Thank you.
When you say the second chance, this is a real definition of the second chance.
Yeah.
Soma, quite a few other people made good use of this, and I hope that you're able to stay above the noise, go on the right path. And I still want to hear of you after a year.
Amen.
That you don't get carried away.
No, by God's grace.
And girl, 120 million. Ooh.
Plus other tax winning money.
The color.
Yes,
supply of you're just how old again? 22?
22.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so
To
much.
BBNaija8.
I want to say thank you guys.
Tribe.
Yes, BBNaija8. Thank you so much for your love, your support. You guys are
guys are actually in the background. Yeah, everybody here is in the background. Yeah, actually my shirt. That leg pose that you are doing.
Please, can you stop me?
I'll take my phone.
Okay, that one. I didn't cancel it.
Even it's so.
But leave it now.
Nobody picks me. I never came. Nobody picks me.
What is something of big bag that we will take to this house?
I swear this bed here. This bed was something else.
Give our Gen Z body now. Diva, thank you.